Today's video is gonna be a little different. Instead of Jeep content, gonna be welding with the Harbor Freight welder. Clean surfaces. Ready to weld. Remember, I think it's like 2 minutes run time, 7 minutes cool off time.
I mean, probably needs a little more heat. How about 50 cents an hour, boy?
Towel?
Yeah, kind of. Not bad, not bad. Can't tell. I feel like I made it too much. Down here. Very cool.
And down here. Cochinero. My little brother's weld. My first corner weld. First inside weld. This is my other brother's. This is my other second corner weld. So we're practicing how to weld in the near future, so we could do a custom exhaust on the Jeep. Paddles on the back. So might as well do a little something. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Some are my welds, some are my brother's. Not too bad, just kind of starting. Alright, so now I'm gonna flip it, weld the inside. And I still got those 4 pieces left to complete the pyramid. I got this from CNA on Amazon for $5, so it's not bad to practice welding. I'm using the tie-in from Harbor Freight. It's the 125, the easy flux. This is the settings that I have. The speed. And then the wattage. Alright guys, ahí quedó la pirámide de pinche metal. Así no nos caen los pinches aves espaciales, viejo. Not wasted, but. Esa madre todo con el grinder se quita, huh? With the bigger wheels.
Yeah, you need like a more aggressive.
Came out decent.